Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to look at guidebooks through Hostfully. This allows rental hosts to be able to set up a guidebook, house manual for their guests with easy access via QR code or a link in check-in. So this is one of the guidebooks we set up. Um, as you can see here, there's a lot going on, but we'll walk through it. So this is a unique guidebook for one of our properties where we have a QR code by the front door so guests can easily access this guidebook while they're at the property. We also send this guidebook before they check in, which has details about how they do that. So we have Arrival tab here, which we won't go into today, but it has directions to the property. It has the check-in information. It has parking instructions. It has the Wi-Fi code, things like that. And then we have the rest of the tabs here, which we will go through. So you can see that the tabs are at the top. They're also on the left side here. And then you have a nice handy map here on the right. This looks pretty much the same on a computer or on a phone. It's very mobile friendly, which is wonderful for sending it to guests. So we'll just jump into one example here. So each one of these has its own tutorial video that we created and instructions. So if we jump into movie theater television here, you'll see that we have a screen that pops up that has written instructions on how to use the television. And then followed by that, it talks about how to use the Roku specifically. So you could click right here in the
How to
video
use Roku.
and it will play right in the window, which is wonderful. And then guests can easily just close that window and jump into something else. We also include departure instructions. So what guests need to do for checkout, where they should go eat. So local recommendations. So each one of these has photos. It also has instructions or descriptions about the place, a little review. So we could just grab like Bosa Food and Drink. You'll see that opens up a map and has photos. So it's a great little way to see different places. We also have activities, so you can see that they're scattered around. You could also use the map here and open them as well. So we sort it by activities. Then we have attractions, shopping, dog exercise, outdoor recreation, breweries, coffee shops, and groceries. So again, super easy, just gives guests when they check in a really simple, really easy way to be able to understand the area, understand the property, and not have to worry about trying to figure things out on their own.